had tons of questions and comments about our Rustoleum bathroom update that we did. They kept asking for a year update and we kept wanting to make the video and just getting busy and crazy. So it's actually almost been 18 months. I just looked. We did this in December of 2000, right in the crazy before all of the COVID stuff happened. We were just looking to redo this bathroom because it was old, it was dingy, and it was outdated as well. And so I found this product because we didn't have enough money to redo the bathroom the proper way, where we would take down all this tile.
So just installing a bathtub can be $600 to $1,800, and tile around $1,000 or higher? That is so crazy. I thought bath fitter would be cheaper, but even that can be $1,000 to $10,000. So this definitely was a better way to go.
It used to be this kind of terracotta mauve colored tile. It was just old and yucky. And the bathtub was really, really beige and dingy and looked more dirty than it was just because of the color. And I felt like it really dated our bathroom. And also I wasn't very excited to take a shower in here because it was, it was actually pretty gross. So if you saw those side by sides, you'll see what an amazing difference this is. So what I did is I bought the product and I tried it out. I had no idea what I was doing. So I decided to make a video about the whole process and the tips and tricks that I found along the way. Now that we finished this one, I went ahead and I did the kids' bathroom. I painted the shower walls. They were so ugly before, just outdated. And now I'm going to tackle the bathtub. Again, the bathtub is outdated. It is grimy and just gross and ugly. I have cleaned this so many times since moving in and it just does not get any better. Shower wall and their tub. So we have a video specifically about the tub. And then I even did 2 different bathroom vanity counter sink areas in bathrooms. One downstairs and ours. You can see it's getting a little bit older. It's kind of gross around the drain area. And this is the tile. It is just kind of, I don't know, to me it just looks a little bit outdated. The sink, the counter, oh my goodness, what a huge difference that makes. I just wanted to give you guys a little update and tell you how it's going. As you can see, our tile still looks amazing. I just gave it a quick clean down. And people also asked a lot of questions about what we use to clean it. This is what I use mostly, just like a Lysol all-purpose cleaner. I like to be able to just spray it and clean it down and then rinse it. I also have used just bathroom wipies, Clorox wipies around the edges. You know how it just gets kind of gross, the shampoo bottles and everything. But we also have used a little grittier cleaner like Ajax or Comet. Put that in and scrubbed it all down. I did use a very gentle brush when I used it, just in case. But yeah, I thought cleaning was very much the same as I used to do it. I thought it was very easy and I didn't have any issues. So as far as how I feel it's doing, we do have one chip right here, if you can see that. But this has really done great. I don't think I have any, oh, right here. Can you see that? That is our tiniest little chip right there. That's it. There's a couple of spots that were bubbles in the mortar. What is it called? In between the tile pieces, you can see right there, that's actually a bubble. That's not a scratch or anything. The other thing that I've noticed is it's due for a caulking, which honestly isn't this every bathtub after a couple of years. It's like I said, it's only been 1.5 years, so maybe that's too soon to have to re-caulk. I'm not sure, but it doesn't really bother me. Usually shampoo covers all of that, but I will go ahead and caulk it soon. And then as far as the tub, we haven't noticed any issues. I was worried about the slickness of the bottom because it does give it a more slippery texture. So I bought this stuff on Amazon and I'll link it down in the description below if you guys are curious. But what it does is it just gives texture to the bottom. And so it's a little bit bumpy down there and it's absolutely not slippery at all. It's really, really cool. So there are a couple places where that product is causing kind of like a little bubble. You can see that. But they've been there the whole time. They don't really bother me. You only really notice it if you're this close. And then we have one chip in the actual Rustoleum right there, just a little chip in the corner. Not sure how it happened, but not a big deal. And then I did go around the tub several times. Around the drain. And obviously the best thing to do is to remove all of your drain pieces, but I kind of don't do projects the normal way. I just get so excited that I just go for it. So I didn't remove anything, and I decided to do several coats around. And you can tell that it is a little bumpy and crazy for me doing so much, but also it didn't chip at all. So even though up close it kind of looks junky like that, I mean, honestly, from far away, not a big deal, right? So there you go. I was so impressed with this product. Like I said, that I used it in several other places in my house. And for the price, I feel like I really, really, really outdid myself. I was so impressed. I was like, this Rustoleum product is amazing. I'm so glad I bought it. I know that it's a little bit harder to find lately. I guess everybody is redoing their bathroom with the whole COVID situation. Everybody's home and they were working on projects for a while. I'm not sure if it's back in stores better now, but it is an awesome product. It is very difficult to work with, so I definitely recommend you watching one of our other videos so that you can learn all the different things in order to protect yourself, because it's a very, very smelly product. You want to make sure you have ventilation. I also have heard people say that the price has gone up on the product, and I mean, unfortunately, that's just kind of how everything is these days, right? The prices are going up. So unfortunately, that's not so great. I actually did this tub. I used 2 containers. And at the time, mine were around $24, $26. I can't remember exactly. So I did this entire project, even with some paintbrushes, for right around 50 bucks. And that was awesome, because some of the other ways that you would redo a bathroom are so costly. We just didn't have the money for it. And so I'm so glad that we did this. So yeah, a year and a half and still going strong. If I went back in time and had to choose to do this again, I absolutely. I love that we did this. I think it was one of the best decisions I've made. Ben was really nervous. He thought I was going to mess it up, and then we would have to redo it and have to pay a bunch of money to redo it. And he is very happy. So it just makes this bathroom so much better. I've since painted the walls, and it's just so much nicer to walk in here to take a shower when the shower looks like this versus how it used to look. It's so much more inviting. So if you guys are wondering whether this product is for you and if it's worth it, you can go watch our other videos. Like I said, we have 3 plus a 6-month update, so that would be 4. And this is a year and a half, 18 months update to let you know that we love this product. We think it's great, and we're very happy with how it turned out and how it's holding up as well. So good luck with your projects. If you're curious how to use it, please go watch the other videos so you can get all my tips and tricks. And good luck with all of your updating.